You there, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on the Gixxer, as you can see, and I've got the Chronicles of Mr. Fish in tow. Do check out his channel if you don't know it already. I'll put links down below and at the end of the video in one of those card thingies. But yeah, we're off to Loomies. I think they've got a late night thing, so we're going down there. Going to meet up with Lamb Chop Rides as well, which will be awesome. And yeah, just hang out, look at the bikes, and it should be a good evening. I'm probably only going to keep the camera on for the way down there, but who knows indeed. It might come out, depending on what bikes are there.
Keep that bike rubber side down.
I'm really beginning to gel with this bike now. I definitely am enjoying having a sports bike again. And although I'm struggling to ride it in my leathers, it's not too impossible for me. Ideally I need to lose some weight, which will make things a lot easier, but the reality is that I'm just unfit, so getting myself a little bit more in shape could be a good beneficial thing for me. Talking of my leathers, I'm glad I tried them on. I've actually just put myself in on a track day. I'm going over to Brands Hatch GP circuit, which is one of my favourite tracks, and also handily it's my closest one, so that should be really good fun. It'll be great to push this through its paces, and a really good way for me to get to know the bike better, I think, because you just can't really thrash these bikes properly on the road, not without going bonsai and licence losing stuff. So yes, should be good. Currently I'm riding this bike very upright. I don't mean keeping the bike upright as such, I just mean I'm not hanging off it very much. I'm not in my leathers, so it's not conducive to knee down anyway, not that I'd be able to do that at the speed I'm riding. But yeah, it's something I want to get out of a little bit with this bike, because that's how I've been riding my Moto Guzzi and stuff, so it's a habit I've got into. On the road it's not really a problem, you're not pushing hard enough to really need to be hanging off like a monkey, but on track, especially without any traction control and 150 brake horsepower near us, damn it, you really don't want to be riding like Miss Daisy when you're going quick. It's a high side waiting to happen. It's certainly a glorious evening to be on the motorcycles, that's for sure. Lamb Chops was saying that we've got rain coming down later on, and a lot of it. Looking at these clouds in front of us, I can believe it, but right now it's so glorious. Hi Mum. One of the problems of having a fast motorcycle is that you catch up with the cars very quickly. It almost feels like you're constantly in a traffic jam, and you're not necessarily so. It's just you get through the gaps where there are no cars so much faster. Saying that, there's an awful lot of overly cautious drivers out at the moment. I don't know quite why it seems that way, but yeah, during lockdown it was full of mad people all being crazy, but now it seems to be just full of little dozy drivers just mooching along. Nothing wrong with that. Nope. Jeebus. This is verging on dangerously slow. If I was by myself I'd have nipped past them, but with Mr. Fish behind me we wouldn't have both gone past it, and yeah, we'd have not made any more progress, so I might as well stay here as well. Stupid traffic! This is really hot, this bike. It's just sweating my legs. Yeah. It is so very awesome being back on a sports bike. I've missed you, baby, I've missed you. Oh, this thing just turns so well. I'm not going fast at all, but it's just so impressive seeing how quickly this turns in. Proper giggles, proper giggles. For those of you that aren't familiar with the Chronicles of Mr. Fish's channel, he's a good guy, he does lots of motorcycle reviews. He's got himself a CRF 250 Rally, he's got a Honda C125 Cub, he's got his Africa Twin, and yeah, he's got access to an awful lot of motorcycles which he's able to go and do very decent reviews on. So if you do like your motorcycle reviews, which it does seem that a lot of people do, don't forget to go check him out. Like I said before, there's links down below and at the end of this video for his channel there. I love these corners here, so rarely get a clear run on them though, but when you do, it's bliss, and the new surface on it is great. Really flowing set of bends. Brilliant stuff. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do have a Beta enduro bike as well. I've not ridden it much this year, or this second half of the year, so I do hope to get that out again soon. But I do mainly have that one for winter riding, as it's a lot of fun to go and get mucky, and it means I can ride all year round. Oh, what a glorious day. Silly billies! I'm actually amazed that the GoPro battery has lasted all this way. I didn't turn it on right at the start of our ride though, so that's possibly why. But now I've said that, I've probably jinxed it. We'll probably die just as we get to Loomies. Got a spare battery though in my pocket, so we'll swap them over. Well, that took us quite a lot longer than it should have done. Lots and lots of traffic. But hey, we are here now. Ugh. Wowzers, even more traffic here. I don't think I've known it to be this busy before. Anyway, Loomies, we are in you. Now, I don't know whether John's going to be here yet, the lamb chops. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, yeah, it does get quite rammed, doesn't it, sometimes? I'm surprised there's not more here, but I guess it's still kind of early. But
it's really busy.
Yeah, but it is on the road with the cars.
Anyway,
it was awesome to meet you. Have a safe ride home. I hope you don't get too wet.
hopefully.
But yeah, look.
Wishful thinking.
Well, yeah, it's the way it goes. But anyway, very cool to meet you. It was nice chatting. Cheers, dude. Take care. Well, that was awesome. Really nice to meet Eastern Menace. He's a subscriber to my channel, and also makes content himself every now and again. It's been a while since he's made anything, but yeah, still really cool to see him. So yeah, awesome. You're going up that way? Okay. Well, it was awesome to see you as well then. Take care, mate. Well, that was awesome. That was really cool. It's always nice to get down to the biker cafes while the evening late night openings are still going on and stuff like that. The weather has changed and it's about to rain, so we all thought best to head back. But yeah, really cool to meet Eastern Menace. He kind of caught me a bit by surprise and unawares when he turned up and said hello. I didn't recognise him, but I don't think he's done a face reveal on his channel, so I guess I'm excused for not knowing who he was when he first said hello. But yeah, lovely to meet you, mate. It was brought to hang out with Mr. Fish as well. It's a shame Lamb Chops didn't get down there, but I think he saw the rain and didn't really fancy getting wet, and I guess there's nothing wrong with that, is there, when we're riding for fun. He does like to keep his bikes clean. There's a good selection of motorcycles down there, all different types, cruisers, custom bikes, sports bikes, some old school stuff. Yeah, awesome stuff. There's always a friendly atmosphere. I love that noise. I don't really know how much of a video I've got here. I'll put it together and let you watch it, and you can either enjoy it or be bored by it. But hopefully there's something enjoyable for you to watch in it. Didn't film when I was down there because we sat inside and had a cup of tea and a burger and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, didn't really film any of the motorcycles. But stuff that. It was a good ride down here, and it will be a good ride home. I should hopefully be being chased by the rain, but beat it. That's what I'm hoping. Well, I've pretty much taken up enough of your time now, so yeah, if you haven't done so already, do click that subscribe button. It would be awesome to have you come back for some more. And if you like this video, why not give it a little thumbs up? And if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down. I don't mind, I don't care. But whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. I'd very much love hearing from you. So anyway, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.